Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, today we are looking at something that's literally a game changer for trade education. We're diving into exactly how the Electromastery Apprenticeship Program takes absolute beginners and completely transforms them into highly skilled, job-ready electricians. So if you've ever thought about jumping into the electrical field but kind of hit a wall figuring out where to start, you're going to want to stick around for this.
But right off the bat, let's address the elephant in the room. How exactly do you get real, tangible electrical experience from your living room? I mean, it's a physical trade, right? You can't just click a mouse to learn how to properly wire a house or safely bend pipe. Honestly, trying to learn breaker box wiring just by skimming a textbook sounds like a recipe for a blown fuse. Well, keep watching, because we've got the exact solution for you today. Let's unpack how this unique program actually delivers real-world experience right to your front door.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Your path to electrical mastery. 2. Choose your electrical course. 3. The hands-on training kit. 4. The 7-phase training roadmap. And finally, 5. Real skills, real careers.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, your path to electrical mastery, moving you from beginner to job ready.
You know, for anyone motivated to jump into the trades, traditional routes can sometimes feel like a massive roadblock, right? Rigid schedules, endless classroom lectures, it's a lot. Well, Electromastery's core mission is bridging that gap between online theory and real-world application. This isn't just about reading textbooks, and it's definitely not about binge-watching videos and just crossing your fingers when you finally step onto a job site. It's about practical readiness. They combine over 60 structured online lessons from industry pros with actual hands-on practice. So yeah, you're getting the theory, absolutely, but you're putting it to use right away.
Moving right along to Part 2, choose your electrical course, with flexible options for every goal.
And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer flexibility of the program. They have structured paths tailored for literally everyone. If you're looking for the whole shebang, the complete start-to-finish education, you've got the Master Electrical Program at $6,000. But say you're already out there in the field. Well, check out the Master Electrical Exam Prep for $700. They even offer continuing ed and an electrical high school prep course, each sitting at $550. When you stack those numbers up against the sky-high costs and crazy time commitments of traditional brick-and-mortar schools, it's a hugely affordable, accessible route, whether you're a recent grad, a total rookie, or a seasoned pro who just needs to keep those credentials up to date.
Now for Part 3, the hands-on training kit, where you can practice safely from home.
Okay, this right here, this is Electromastery's absolute secret weapon. We are talking about a professional 24x24 electrical training panel shipped directly to you. And get this, it uses real electrical components. No clunky computer simulations, no pretend virtual reality wires. This lets you practice actual residential wiring safely, right in your own home. Plus, because it features both a portable and a wall mount option, you can literally transform your garage, a basement, or even a spare room into a fully functional training lab. You're building that crucial muscle memory with the exact same gear you'll use on the job.
On to Part 4, the 7-phase training roadmap, a step-by-step curriculum.
So how do you actually use that kit? Well, this roadmap takes those 60-plus lessons and condenses them into clear, hard-hitting milestones. First, you hit the ground running with the physical stuff in phases 1 and 2, mastering residential wiring, pipe bending, and installing lighting. Next, you step up into the real mental heavy lifting, stuff like load calculations and professional blueprint reading. After that, you tackle your final practical and technical exam to really test your mettle, leading straight into graduation and your accredited certificate. Finally, you round it all out with OSHA 10 safety training and career support. It's just a rapid, logical progression designed to get you hired.
Actually, scratch that. Let's zoom in on that safety training for a quick second. OSHA 10 is this foundational credential covering workplace hazards and compliance basics, and employers are actively hunting for it. So the crucial point is, graduating with this specific safety credential already stamped on your resume gives you an immediate, massive leg up in the job market. Future employers don't have to burn time or money getting you certified. Because of this specific phase, you show up on day 1 fully compliant and ready to work.
That brings us to Part 5, real skills, real careers, highlighting outcomes and success stories.
So how does this hybrid online and hands-on model actually play out in the real world? Let's hear from the people who've done it. Take David R., an electrical apprentice. He says, Electromastery completely changed my confidence level. The hands-on training helped me understand residential wiring in a way no classroom ever did. I mean, that perfectly validates the power of that 24x24 physical panel we talked about earlier.
It builds genuine, boots-on-the-ground confidence that you're simply never going to get just sitting behind a desk listening to a lecture.
And what about the theory side of things? Well, Carlos M., an entry-level electrician, pointed out the load calculation and blueprint reading modules were incredibly detailed. I felt job ready even before completing the program. This brilliantly illustrates that the online theory and blueprint modules are every bit as rigorous and impactful as the physical practice. You aren't just connecting wires, you are learning how to read the job, balance the electrical loads, and truly think like a professional.
Finally, let's look at a recent graduate, Jason T. He shared, "The OSHA 10 training and resume support gave me an edge during interviews. I landed my first electrical job within weeks." That right there is direct, undeniable proof that the final phases of their roadmap, the OSHA compliance, the resume building, the interview prep, it actually works. It's entirely built to rapidly turn your new education directly into employment.
And to put all of this incredible value into perspective, let's look at a single number, 5. Just 5 months is the absolute maximum amount of time it takes to complete this entire structured program. But honestly, because it's totally self-paced and molds around your current schedule, highly motivated students are actually knocking the whole thing out, from basic theory to the final exam, in just 3 months. Just imagine that, completely transforming your entire career trajectory in a single season.
So as we wrap up today's Explainer, I want to leave you with an inspiring question. Are you ready to build real skills and step into a high-demand electrical career? The step-by-step roadmap is clearly laid out, the actual physical tools get shipped right to your door, and the industry is literally begging for trained professionals with these exact credentials. So, what's stopping you from taking that first step toward mastering a new trade today? Thank you so much for hanging out with me as we explored this source material, and we will catch you on the next one.